We at HMT Manufacturing thank you for purchasing our Advantage Laminator. This DVD will assist you in the assembly, setup, registration, and operation of the unit. Assembling the HMT Advantage Laminator is simple and straightforward. Upon arrival, inspect the crate carefully for any freight damage. If damage has occurred, please contact HMT before proceeding at 1-800-433-0730. After your inspection is complete, open the crate carefully. It's stapled together with V-guards and wood. Use a pry bar to help remove the staples. Remove all boxes of glue and parts packed inside the crate, then set them aside. This will leave the in-feed conveyor and the main conveyor, which has the legs assembled to it. The large box contains the laminate supports and extensions, along with the short laminate guide brackets, knobs, glue payout bar, and cores. Next, remove the lag screws from the feet of the main conveyor, which are screwed into the pallet for shipping. Then lift the unit off with a forklift. We suggest you use fork extensions. Lift the unit up by the angle cross brace on the legs. Be careful not to hit the drive motor located under the conveyor. You can now set the conveyor height to approximately 34 inches from the bottom of the foot to the top of the conveyor rollers before setting it on the floor. Lower the unit to the floor, then make sure it's level. You do this by using the first and last conveyor rollers for level side to side, and the bottom of the conveyor channel for end to end. If the unit is not level, lift it again with the forklift, adjusting the legs accordingly. You can now remove the side covers from the conveyors to give access to the mounting flange. Remove the bolts that have been shipped with your unit. Lift the in-feed conveyor in place. Set the leg of the unit underneath the back of the in-feed conveyor, then attach the in-feed conveyor to the main unit. Bolt together with the supplied bolts. After tightening, level the in-feed conveyor the same way as before by checking the rollers. Then replace the side covers and tighten. The glue roll assembly is next. Remove the attached bolts from the side of the unit. Then place the adhesive hangers to each side of the unit with the slots opening to the in-feed. Tighten the plate to the unit. Then place the glue payout bar under the in-feed conveyor. Place 3 lock collars at one end of the pole, then place the collar onto the pole. The outside 2 will go on either side of the hanger bracket. They should have about 3 inches outside to hold on to. Now put the 3rd outside collar on, followed by the plastic core. Insert the bar into the roll of glue. Place the other core and 4th collar on the bar. The roll will be registered and locked down later. Now place the bar with glue on the hangers. This works best with 2 people. At this point, you can make your electrical connection to the machine. If you're using a 3-phase power supply, make sure that the high leg, if you have one, is not used. The higher voltage will burn out the 110-volt controls.